Hello there, welcome back to the channel Take the Bow. So today we're going to see an interesting business concept which is perhaps a more environmental friendly and ecosystem supported business, which is like deriving the used cooking oil, deriving the biodiesel from the used cooking oil. This is the business concept which we are going to discuss in detail today. And before we get on to the business concept, if you're a new viewer to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and as soon as you subscribe, click that bell icon as well so that all the regular video updates will be reaching you on time without any deviations. Please do not forget to subscribe and support the channel. So now let's get on to the business concept right now. So the recent launch of the central government project, conversion of these used refined oil into biodiesel or the biofuel during the November 2019 has witnessed different tenders being exchanged or issued by the oil organization, the so-called oil companies, the Indian Oil, Hindustan Petroleum, Bharat Petroleum, in order to get the tenders for manufacturing the biofuel from the cooking oil, used cooking oil. That's being issued already and it's in the progress. Like the manufacturer would be continuously given with the facilities and literally like a buyback which being offered by these organizations, all organizations from these manufacturers to buy the complete or the manufactured biodiesel or biofuel at a cost of 52 rupees approximately. So having said that, the manufacturing process actually requires a lot of licensing and investments, which is perhaps out of scope for us. So what we have to do here is we have to collect these oil from the used from the households and from the restaurants and from different sources, and to collect them and collate them and deliver it back to the aggregators, which the government terms them as aggregators, who in turn supplies them to the manufacturers on the whole in tons and tons. Like the collection of oil altogether starts from approximately 5 to 10 rupees. You can pay the end user who gives it by buying, and those oils could be given back to the aggregators or to the buyers at a cost of approximately 15 to 25 depending on the quality of the oil. So the market price of the used cooking oil is approximately 42 rupees, somewhere like 40 rupees to 42 rupees, and 40,000 is being offered for per metric ton. So depending on that, the buyers are offering approximately 15 to 25. So all you have to do is you have to schedule a plan collecting these used cooking oil from different parts, and you have to collate them and sell it to the buyers, who get in turn and they organize in a larger scale and give it to the these oil manufacturing, like the biofuel manufacturing companies. So in order to do that, you have to know the aggregators. Of course, yes, I've given you the details in the description box. You can check the description box for a website where you'll be given with the details of these aggregators. You can get on to that place, and as soon as you visit that website, which is being routed on my website, you can see this PDF document where you have to click this list of aggregators, and people names would be mentioned here, and the contact details of the manufacturers would also be given. You can reach them directly, and thereby you'll be routed to the respective aggregators in order to sell your oils. And the market plan goes in such a way, like you have to collect the oil approximately somewhere like 20 to 30 times a month, and you have to plan it accordingly while getting it from the different sources. And if you sell them approximately for 10 to 25, the market value goes like 10,000 to 25,000 per ton, and that will easily get you a revenue of approximately 2 lakh to 5 lakh per month if you try to target for 20 to 50 ton. The buyer details, of course, I've given the aggregator details in the description box. You can visit the website where it will get you routed to another website with the details of the aggregators. So you have to plan the collection. Like these oils can be collected from the fast foods, restaurants, hotels, canteens, chip shop, apartments, and households. See, households though they are a little bit, you have to ensure that they are collected in large scale. Most of the households might have the celebrations or some sort of get-togethers where they'll have a lot of oils be used in cooking process, which would be deliberately disposed as soon as it reaches the twice or thrice of usage. So that has to be collected appropriately. And for hotels, restaurants, fast foods, you can obviously place a can or a large container which can collect up to 150 liters, approximately similar to the one you see in the screen, where you can collect these oils from them, and altogether weekly supplies that could also work out. Once in a week you can collect it all together from them and collate it through a vehicle, organize the transportation, the transit, and you can sell it or directly send it to the aggregators. So you have to plan how it could be collected and sent it to them. But all here you have to understand is the government doesn't want these cooking oil to get into the ecosystem. So that's why they have created such an opportunity, which is perhaps the most welcome process, the most anticipated project which the government has launched. And it's of a high boon for someone who is looking for a real-time opportunity, thereby enabling the environment-friendly business and getting to the part of national interest. So I guess I've covered enough of information about the business concept here. So for all, you got anything to ask, or you got any clarifications, or you want any clarifications, or you got any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be pleased to assist you in them. And if you feel something as a business concept or which has to be discussed, or you want something to be added here, definitely let me know that also in the comment section. I'll definitely get the details of it and keep you posted on them. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Sharing can be an easy task for you. Perhaps that could be a life-changing video for them. So yep, so we'll see you soon. Another interesting concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.